Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company. The point of this video will be to show you that when you get into your editor and start working with it, if you have a question, how to get help from us. I want to start off this video with a common held myth. A lot of dealers think that once their site has gone live with us, that you're on your own. Good luck. That could not be farther from the truth. There are several ways within your editor in which you can help yourself. First off, your implementation specialist should have given you the number for our technical product support team that you can reach out to. The first place in which you can find that technical product support team information, if you're on your dashboard, in this column right here, down at near the bottom of this column, you can find the dedicated phone number and email of that tech support team. You can reach out to them by phone or email, and just know that if you send in a question outside of these hours, they will get back to you as soon as they possibly can the very next day. Another person that you can reach out to for help would be your account manager. Your account manager's information can be found beneath the technical support and will be there even before you go live. The next way that you can get help is you can go into the upper right-hand corner, and to the left of your business name, you have a live chat to reach out to one of our technical support members. You can also click on the Help Center. Again, it gives you the information, the contact information for our technical support team. It has the chat now listed again. And if you'd prefer to look at documentation rather than emailing or talking to someone, you can always go into the Help Center. When the Help Center opens, you have a few different formats of information that you can use depending on your learning style in order to get the help that you need. If you are looking for help video tutorials based purely on the functionality of the CMS editor, they can be found right underneath the video tutorials area here. If you're looking for help specific to setting up an online cart on your site, you can look underneath the e-commerce button that you see here. And if videos aren't your speed and you'd much prefer to look at a step-by-step article with pictures, over to the left underneath the how-to articles and pages, you can find help information in the same organization that you find in the left-hand menu of your editor. Finally, I would like to say that if you have worked with me during your training, or maybe on a one-on-one call, you can also reach out to me once you have my contact information. I hope that this helps you get the information in a timely manner, in a way that you are comfortable learning it, and a way that you will retain the info. Until I talk to all of you again, thank you very much for your very valuable time, and good luck with the rest of your ARI experience.